Well, now I will show you how to install Python. Actually, if you want to use Python into your system, then you need to install Python first. To install Python, go to python.org and then click on the download link. When you will click on the download link, you will get download Python with the version. Always use the latest version so that you will get the perfect performance. Now I will show you how can you install this. Run. I already I already have installed, so I will click on upgrade now. In yours, if you don't have installed Python, then you will get the button install instead of upgrade now. Let's click on it, and then the installation process will be done. Let's wait for some time so that actually I love Python very much because this is very much easy and also user friendly, so that I basically recommend to everyone to learn Python from the beginning. You don't need to learn other programming languages at first to learn Python. You should learn Python from the beginning without learning any kind of programming language, because this is very much user friendly and very much easy. Okay, the installation process is continuing. Let's wait for some time. Okay, as you can see, the setup was successful, and now I will show you some other tools where you can practice coding. That is Anaconda. I actually like this platform because they provide uh, lots of services. Let me show you. You can see what they provide. And in Anaconda, I will use Spider to do practice, which is this. This is a Python IDE where I will practice Python code. You can install Spider from here. Just click on free download, and then you have to click on the download button, and this will start downloading. I already have downloaded, so I'm not downloading this. You should try by yourself. Or if you don't want to install Anaconda, then you can use the default Python IDE, which is this. This is a default Python IDE. You will get this by installing this. When you will install the Python, this will provide you a default IDE. That is this. Sorry, this. What you have to do, simply you have to click on the file, then new file, and you will get the perfect IDE. Fine. That's all the required tools to do Python programming. Now let's start